Huh? Oh no! Okay, okay.
Hello, I'm your captain, the dolphin. Now let's see how fast this boat can go. Here we go!
Huh?
Oh no!
Okay, okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlie the Mantis, and this is my Rainbow Rider fuel truck. Time to deliver some smiles.
NANI? Okay, okay. Ready, go!
Hi everyone, I'm Sparky the Cockroach, and this is my awesome water truck. Let's get moving!
Start! Ready? Go! Hi, I'm the Earthworm, and this is our Rainbow Eat food truck. Let's get this show on the road.
Huh? Ready, go!
Hi everyone, I'm the amazing Candy Flea, and guess what time it is? Ice cream time!
Huh?
Start! Ready? Go!
Greetings! I'm the world's only stunt mosquito, and this is my hearse. Now watch me drive. Well, hello there. I'm ready to roll. Let's get this show on the road.
Huh? Ready, go!
Hi, I'm Scooter the Skunk, and this is my super fun camper van. Time for an adventure!
Huh? NANI?
Hi everyone, I'm the Weasel, and I'm your driver today. All aboard for school.
Okay, okay.
Hello, I'm the Mole. Watch me drive this shuttle to space.
Okay, okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Ollie the Otter, and welcome aboard the Rainbow Tour Coach.
Huh?
Hi everyone, I'm the Hedgehog, and I'm about to drive the minibus. Let's go.
Okay.
Hi there, I'm your driver, Sammy the Squirrel. Everyone aboard. Time to roll out.
NANI?!
Okay.
Welcome to the stadium. I'm Fernando the Frog Bus, and I'm fueled by fun and clean energy. Let's go!
Huh?
Okay.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo the Lizard. Are you ready to ride the Rainbow Bus? Hop aboard!
NANI?!
Okay.
Ready, go!
Hi, everyone. I'm Shelby the Snake, and this is my friend the Bus. Let's go for a ride.
Huh?
Let's go.
Okay, okay.
Hi, kids. I'm Professor Spider, and today we're going on an adventure in the trailer bus. Buckle up.
Okay.
Ready, go!
Look, everyone. It's the incredible Taxi. He's ready to roll. See you later, Taxi.